Hello geometry students. This week we're going to learn a little bit more circle vocabulary, and then in the next two videos I'll teach you how to set up equations and solve for missing information with these new vocab words. So first, just a little bit of review. So radius, what we're talking about is a line segment that's starting at the center and going to a point on the circle like this or like this. We should know that word. Another word that we should know by now is diameter. So it's a line segment that goes through the center point all the way to another point on the circle. Another word that we learned last week is sector area. So when we have two radii and we enclose that area between them and we shade it in, that area between those two radii, that's what we're calling sector area. And here comes the new stuff. So inscribed angle. So this is where we go new from here below, and you'll want to jot this down so that you have access to it later. Inscribed angle is an angle like the one I'm highlighting in purple right here. So an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle, not the center. So if you see right here, MPN. So as an example, this would be angle MPN. P is your vertex, and it is on the circle, and it is not the center. We also learned the word central angle last week, but let's review it right now. Central angle, we'll erase the purple. Central angle is another angle, and this time the vertex is the center. So it's an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. So for example, we have angle MLN. L is the vertex and the center. So, and we know as an example, the measure of angle MLN in this diagram is 64 degrees. I'm going to erase what we've got so far. Switch to red. Arc measure is talking about, so an arc is a part of the circle's circumference. So this is an arc. So example is arc MN. And we put a little rainbow on top. This means arc MN. An arc measure is how many degrees is the arc made up of. So in this example, we know that the measure of arc MN is equal to 64 degrees because it's labeled right here on the diagram. So if we actually wanted to know what's the measure of this arc right here, so this arc PN, well, this is half of the circle, so the measure would be 180 degrees because it's half of the total degrees in a circle, which is 360. That's all the new vocabulary for today. So go start the Desmos activity and stop when you get to the next video.